Today I'm going to show you how to do the Heidi hair, which is the two braids that cross over the top that you've seen in many of my photos. So I've already done this side of my hair, so I just parted down the middle, brought them to the side. So now I'll show you what I do with each of the sides once I've done that. So I have the Believe Me hair extensions, so I like to put these in my braids so that they give a thicker look. So I will part just my hair like halfway maybe, pull it to the side, bring in my extensions, just put them, they don't have to be perfect, and drag my hair over again. Then I take the single one and put them somewhere at the bottom. And I use the 2-prong one, and then I use 2 single ones. And I put these ones further at the bottom so that it kind of gives it length as well. So once I have done that, I gather all the hair, just as you normally would for a simple elementary braid. And I like to pull it a little bit above my ear because I feel like the higher that you do it, the better it looks in the end. So I take it about here, regularly part it as you normally would to do a braid. And then just start a regular braid. Once I'm getting closer to the bottom, I grab they look like what you would use when you had braces, but they're those little clear plastic elastics like this because I don't want them to be able to see them when I put them over top. And I put them right here. So now I've got my 2 braids, and then I can pull hair out of this side as well as like I did on this side. And get your longer pieces or your shorter pieces, whatever you want to do. Then once I've done that, I take my braids and I pull them apart to give that thicker look for when they go across the top. Do it the same with this side. So once I've finished pulling them apart, I take one braid and I pull it across the top like this, pulling pretty tight. Then I'm going to take bobby pins and I'm going to hold it in place and just secure it where the braids are, pulling down like that. They'll probably need about 3 or 4 on each side of the braids. And I can put them on this side and pull down on this side as well, just so that when you let go with your hand, it still feels pretty secure. So now that this one feels pretty secure, I take the other one and I wrap it around right behind this one. Don't worry about this piece right here because we're going to hide that in a second. Doing the same thing, just putting bobby pins in to secure it down. And then I tuck that piece just right in between there so you can't see it. And then this one over here. Sorry, it's backwards. It's tricky for me. And I'll hide that one too. And there you have the Heidi. Pretty simple.